So in machine learning, we have two words, machine and learning. So what does machine means? Machine does not mean this. Machine does not mean this in machine learning. Don't think machine as this in machine learning. So then what it is? It is a we have machine learning. In machine learning, the word machine simply refers to a computer or a software system. It's not a big, complicated machine. It's just a computer or a software system or nothing but an algorithm. So what is machine in ML? In machine learning, the word machine simply refers to a computer or a software system, or else it can also refer to a mathematical model or algorithm. Even algorithm can be considered as a machine. Even a mathematical model. I will explain what is mathematical model in the coming days. That also considers a machine. But what the characteristic is like, that will learn from data. That is what more important. Any algorithm, any computer, any software system which learns from data to make predictions or decisions, nothing but a machine. Okay. So that's one summary. A machine in machine learning is not a physical mechanical machine. It's not a physical mechanical machine in the traditional sense. Okay, it's nothing but a computer or a software system, or it could be a mathematical model or an algorithm that runs on a computer and learns from data. That learns from data to identify, to its learn from data, and it generates patterns to make predictions or decisions.